This is the Darkman News today at the 6th of December 2012. We are going to tell you something about the car accident, news about Nassau, Snyder who don't want to review his contract, Kanye West and Kim Kardashian, and the weather report with Joep Minnaar. A cyclist severely wounded after hit and run by a car in Teteringen last Wednesday after crossing the Oosterhoutweg and the Donker Street. A cyclist was hit by a car when he fell off his bicycle and was hit by a speeding car that wasn't able to stop in time. The cyclist fell when he was waiting at the traffic lights. The driver of the car had way too much drunk on the way to the hospital. The cyclist died in the ambulance. The driver drove away after the accident and he isn't found yet. Now we go to a paramedic. Hello everybody. Here is George and we're gonna ask him some questions about a car accident. Hello George, what is the reason the cyclist died?
The cyclist died not because he was hit by the car, but because later in the ambulance he had a heart infarct.
Have they already get the driver of the car?
No, they not get him, but maybe later they found.
Are there any evidence of the accident?
Yes, we have some camera shots. Now we know how the car is looking, but not.
What can you say about the camera shots?
I cannot much say about camera shots. That's not legal to say.
Okay, thank you, George.
Thank you.
We go live to you. He have some news about Nassau.
Hello everybody. My name is Joep Minnaar and I'm standing at the secondary school in Nassau. I would like to tell you something about the school. First we start with some bad news. There are many criminal activities like stealing and violence. Some students even have a weapon. There are already drugs dealers at the school. They are dealing cocaine, cannabis, ecstasy and heroin. That is not very normal for a secondary school. And because of all that, some teachers have a depression. Some other sad news, a boy died at school recently because he fell off his chair and broke his neck. Now we move on with some good news. Now, at our school we just got a new newspaper, which is very nice. Also a week ago we had a football match, students versus teachers. That was very nice. And the final score was 5 for the teachers and 3 for the students. We also got new Lux flat screens and some more digital boards. There is also a new fitness room and a new gymnasium. On top of that there now is an elevator at the school. And everything is being cleaned at the moment. This was the school news. Now we go back to the studio.
We now move on with some sport news. Snyder doesn't want to renew his contract. Last Monday, Wesley Snyder, the player of Inter Milan, announced that he don't want to renew his contract. He and his manager Soren Lesby had a meeting with the directors of the club. From these conversations, Snyder had no reason to renew his contract. The 20-year-old Dutch player now have a contract until summer of 2014. But Inter Milan wants Snyder to stay a year longer for the same. Now we're going to tell you something about NAC. The club from Breda. They start the competition bad. They are 18 and they have financial problems. They are in red, they must pay 12 million, but that much money they didn't have. And must sell player to pay a piece of the money back. Maybe they go bankruptcy. And maybe they go degrade to the second league. They also have sell their training complex to pay back. They are searching for some good sponsors who won't pay it. They have found some sponsors but they aren't good to pay all money back. We wish they best. Behind me you can see a picture of the complex which they have sold. Now they train at the amateur club next to their own stadium. amount of money. As Sneijder doesn't want to sin, he lost his position in the selection of Inter Milan. Sneijder hopes he can be sold to another club during the winter break. For Sneijder, have to accept the current situation as it is. Now we're gonna tell you something about Kim Kardashian and Kanye West. Kanye West wants more attention of his wife, Kim Kardashian. Kanye West has had enough of the constant media attention his wife always gets. While he stays at home, Kim is in Paris during the fashion week and is constantly be followed by paparazzi. What Kanye West, the rapper, would really like is for her to iron his clothes, cook for him and spoil him. But what she takes pictures of herself at the show in Paris and send them to him, and show him that she is in the center of attention. Now we're going to you with the weather report.
Hello everybody, this is the weather report. My name is Joep Meneur and I would like to tell you something about the weather this week. Today it's been a sunny day and about 20 degrees in the whole country. Tomorrow, Monday, we will have another sunny day with again around 20 degrees, not mist clouds and a very light breeze. From Tuesday the weather is going to change. It will be much cooler and around 16 degrees. Also wind will pick up in the land, like wind force 7. On Wednesday it's probably going to be rain, about 8 millimeters. That's much. Later at the night it will be very misty, so be careful. During the day it will be about 10 degrees. On Thursday it is going to be a very cold day, about 2 degrees, but it is going to be very dry. Friday, on the other hand, will be a very nasty day, with heavy storms, hail, and it will be very slippery on the roads. Now we go to the weekend. Saturday is going to bring lots and lots of snow, and it's going to be very cold, -4 degrees. So you had better get your winter clothes from the attic. So still very cold, but lovely winter weather. That is all for now. See you next week. Back to you, Luca.
This was the Dogma News. Have a nice week. We're now going to tell you some news about NAC. NAC, the club from Breda, started the competition. Now we're going to tell you Now we're going to tell you something about MSC. The club from Breda start the competition bad. They are 18 on the rank list, and they have financial problems. They must pay 12 million, but that much money didn't they have, and must sell players to pay a piece of the money back. Maybe they go bankruptcy and maybe they go degrade to the second league. They also have sell their training complex to pay the money back. They are searching for some good sponsors who want to pay it. They have found some sponsors, but they are not good to pay all money back. We wish they best. Here on the picture you can see the complex which they sell. Oh, what do you mean? Now we're gonna tell you something about NAC, the club from Breda who have started the competition bad. They are 18 and they have financial problems. They must pay 12 million, but that much money they didn't have. They have zomaar.